Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be talking about the basics and that is how to open and close trades in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So these are the most widely used trading platforms in the world, and knowing how to execute and manage trades properly is essential for every trader. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are similar in many ways, okay? Both of them allow you to place trades, analyze charts, and manage your positions, okay? The main differences are in the features and interface layout, but the trade execution process is almost identical. Before we get into the step-by-step process, make sure you are logged into your trading account and have the instrument that you want to trade open on your chart, okay? Now, to open a trade in MT4, you can actually press F9 on your keyboard. Okay, sorry. So you can actually press F9 on your keyboard to open a trade on your chart. Okay, so you can press the FN button at the around the lower left part of your keyboard. When you hold the FN, then you press F9. That is if your keyboard has another function for the F9 key. Okay, so once you press the F9, you can see that this dialog box is going to pop up, so you can use this to press, or rather to enter your lot size, your stop loss, take profit, and all of that, and then execute your trade. Okay, or you can just go ahead and click the new order button here, all right, on the toolbar. Okay, in MT5 the process is the same. F9, it brings out the dialog box where you can enter your lot size, that is the volume, your stop loss, take profit, and all of that. You can even select the symbol here and all of that and execute your trade. Okay, or you can just click on the new order button here. Okay, all right, so you're going to see the order window. You can decide to select your currency pair from here, but if you do not like stress, you can just go to the particular currency pair that you want to trade and then click your new order, because any currency pair that you go to, when you click new order, that's the currency pair that's going to be showing here. That's the symbol that's going to be showing here, but you're going to see your symbol, you're going to see the execution type, whether it's market order or pending order. You're going to see your stop loss, your take profit, and all of that. Okay, so basically the instrument, the symbol means the instrument you want to trade. The volume means your trade size, which is usually in lots. Okay, your stop loss is the price where you want the trade to close automatically if it moves against you. The take profit is the price where you want the trade to close automatically when it reaches your target. The order type here is market execution is for instant trades. Pending orders is if you want to set a future entry point. Okay, so once everything is set, you click the buy or the sell to execute the trade. So after placing a trade, you can monitor it in the terminal window. All right, so for example, for the purpose of this video, let's just execute a random trade in this demo account, and then let us view the terminal. Okay, so you can monitor your trade in the terminal window here, or the toolbox window. All right, and if you want to close the trade, you can just click on this X button. It's going to close the trade. You can also double click on the trade. If you double click on it, it's going to bring up the order window. All right, and then you can click on this yellow close button if you want to close it from here, or if you want to modify maybe your stop loss or your take profit, you can actually do that here as well. All right, but in that case, if you want to if you want to modify stop loss or take profit, the type, can you see you have to change this type to modify order? All right, change the type to modify order. If you want to set a pending order, probably a fresh order, and click on pending order. If you want to close the trade, then set it on market execution. Okay, so it's pretty simple. All right. Now for partial closes, which only works when you are using a lot size of more than 0.01, so you need to have a lot size of at least 0.02. So if you want a partial close for a lot size of 0.02 or more, you just have to change the volume field. For example, you go to market execution, you want to close a trade, but you want to close maybe just half. So you're going to change the volume to the particular lot size that you want to close, okay? So it doesn't matter whether you open lot size 1 or lot size 5 or lot size 0.1 or 0.02. The particular lot size that you want to close, that's what you should write inside here. Okay, so in this case, I am closing only 0.01. All right. So once you click on this close, it's only 0.01 that is going to close. The remaining lot size will stay open. Okay, so that's what we call a partial close. All right, this is useful if you want to secure some profits while you let the remaining to run. You know, you let the rest to run. Probably maybe you have multiple profit targets, but you know you want to secure some gains, so you can just close, you know, partial profit and then allow the rest to run. Okay, so this is a simple, you know, a simple breakdown on how to open and close trades in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is the MetaTrader 4, right? But just like I said, you know, the same way you execute your trade on MetaTrader 4 is the same way you execute your trades on MetaTrader 5. Okay. If you enter a trade, for example, let us view the toolbox. You enter a trade, for example, and then probably you want to modify, you can just double click on it. Just the same thing that you do on MT4. If you want to modify your position, you know, if you want to close, you want to close partial profit, you know, whatever it is that you want to do, the same way you do it on MT4, you can just go ahead and also do it here on MT5. So this is to close partial profit, and then you can just click on this X button if you want to close, you know, the remaining profit, or you can, you know, use that other dialog box method that, you know, I showed earlier on. Okay, so that is the complete breakdown. Okay, with this knowledge, you can confidently enter, manage, and exit trade without confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step trading platform guides and strategy videos. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.